thanks to my employer, we have a 3-day weekend coming up, and thanks to Erie, we have 74-degree day, cloudy, and we're gonna try to do some bass fishing here. I'm thinking that we should be able to target some areas. I think the bass are moving up. These warm front here coming, especially before it gets cold tomorrow. That little storm, I think, is gonna help our chances today. So we're gonna throw some jigs. We're gonna throw some swim baits, maybe a chatter bait or spinner bait or two. And we're also going to throw the lipless and see what we can do here. We're gonna try a bunch of different spots, some new, some old. Let's see how we do. All right, guys, we're at spot number 1. I have never fished here, but I want to give it a shot just to see if there's any bass in here hanging out. Not many people fish here at all, ever. It's pretty murky. I'm gonna throw this swim bait out there. See if anything wants to hit it. I guarantee the fish are not pressured here though, so if there are any bass out there, I might be able to get one. I don't know if there's any living in here anymore though, but you never know. Cold. Our temp is about 53.4. It's entirely too windy here. I'm moving. All right, guys, we're at spot number 2. So much calmer here, and we're gonna try to catch some more bass. So 52.4. So we're gonna try to find some by throwing this red lipless. Here it is again, as I've shown you before. The other side, so let's give it a shot. Fishing, keep off dock. No fishing, keep off dock. Try over here. I'll go with the chatter bait. Let that sink to the bottom. Pop it. I'm gonna go to another spot. All right, guys, I stopped at this spot because I saw fish jumping from the road. I don't know how fishable it is, so I'm gonna give it a shot because maybe bass came back in here. Oh yeah, that's something big. No, looks like carp now. It's all right, retool, on to the next stop. Red lipless won't work. Try more subtle swim bait approach. Black and blue, because this water's pretty murky. These fish are really pressured. Never caught a fish on this. the jig. My pride won't let me stop. And I got one. Oh, I had one. It was a baby, but I had one. I think it's a big boy to slam it. Slam it home right into that wind. Just turn up your magnetics and you're fine. Oh, there's big bass in here. Where are they at? You're hiding. Definitely had a bite there. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, that was a nice one. It's a key though. Swim bait at night.